Hi viewers, I'm Bhavani from Rishi's Aapki Rasoi. I'm meeting all of you after a month, and at present, as I told you, I'm in US, and today I'm going to demonstrate you the hot idli, which I'm going to show it to you how I'm making it out of moong dal and urad dal. Because every time we always add only rice and then urad dal to make idlis. So this time I wanted to show you some different thing and a very healthy idli, because I'll be putting some fresh vegetables also along with that. And the combination for this is Mangalore sambar. That also I will demonstrate right now. Now, moong dal, I have taken 1 cup, 1 big cup like this of moong dal and quarter cup of this urad dal. I have soaked both of them for 2.5 hours and then I have ground them to a paste like this. Now to this I have added salt and just a teaspoon of fresh coconut. Now all these will enhance the real taste of Mangalorean idli. That is the menu today which I am planning. Now I am going to season them right now with little rye, then some cashews and some chana dal. Just I'm going to season them till the mustard seeds splatter. That much is enough because both the chana dal and the cashew need not become red or roasted. This much is enough. So now I'm pouring it on this. This is the seasoning I'm going to give today. Now to this I'll be adding some fresh grated carrots and then some chopped green chilies and green peas. Now all these vegetables are very much optional. You can add any number of vegetables and any quantity depending on the batter you are going to take. Now to this I'll be adding just a pinch of baking soda. Now this I have to mix now very well. As I told you earlier, I have already added coconut, fresh coconut. And all the nutritive value I wanted to tell you, because about the vegetables you people are very well aware of. Now fresh coconut is a very good antioxidant, and you add anything and you steam, nothing like that. So I have just mixed the batter. Now you can add a teaspoon of haldi powder, which I have done it already. That is also optional. All these things are very optional. Now to this, just to add the taste, I'm going to add some chopped coriander. Fresh coriander leaves. Now I'll be just putting it on the idli plate and I'm going to steam it. So I'll get back to you once I finish that. I'm going to make the idlis in the idli maker. I put the batter. Now this I have to steam it for 10 to 12 minutes. That much is enough. Now the nutritious idli is getting ready. By the time I will demonstrate to you the Mangalore sambar. Yeah, now I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to do the Mangalore sambar. And Mangalore, you know the location of this of the city, because it's very close to Kerala. So those people, and I'm also basically from Mumbai. So the Maharashtrians, Mangaloreans and Keralites, they always use coconut in all their recipes. So today's masala is also slightly different, which we are going to make for this Mangalore sambar. Now here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh dhania with some 8 red chilies, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Now this I have to roast it slightly, not too much, too hot, just slightly. And then to this I will be adding 1 teaspoon of coconut, fresh grated coconut. Not much, only this much. Now this is the masala which I am going to grind it for the sambar, not the regular sambar powder. Because this Mangalorean recipe has got slightly a different masala texture, which I am going to demonstrate you how I am going to make it. Now this has to be roasted just for a minute. And it has to get cool. So now I will show you how I am going to add the other ingredients in the sambar. Now I am going to show you how I am going to make this Mangalore sambar. Now I have just added 2 teaspoons of oil and I put the hing pieces in this, and I am adding now rai, mustard. Then as we add the regular for sambar, we add some of the seasonings like fenugreek seeds, and that is flutter. And then I will be adding onions. Now I am going to make it very healthy. So I am adding a lot of vegetables in this. I am adding onion and then 1 chopped tomato. To this lot of vegetables of your choice. Now I have added some baby potatoes like this, which are cut into half, some capsicum, then beans, some green peas, everything, to make it as nutritious as possible. Just have to saute for a minute. And then I'll be adding the tamarind water. Tamarind water to make this much sambar. I have taken 1 lemon size tamarind water to pour it in this. Now to this I'll be adding salt. Two spoons of salt. And now this has to boil and the vegetables have to get cooked. And by the time my masala will be getting ready to get cooled, so I have to grind it and get back to you. I have ground this masala, wet masala. I am going to pour it to the sambar because all the vegetables are very well cooked. Now just this has to take only 2 minutes for it to cook because we have already fried the masalas. So this doesn't take a longer time to get cooked, and the vegetables also will get mixed up very well. Now I have already boiled tur dal, and normally for sambar what I do is I mix both tur dal and moong dal so that this will give you a good consistency in sambar, especially when we make it for idlis. So now this I am going to pour it in this for the final. Now the sambar is ready. Almost ready. Now the final touch for this sambar is I am adding just 1 teaspoon of jaggery. This is the masala and the jaggery is the main difference in making this Mangalorean sambar. And this tastes very good for idli. Idli, dosa, upma, everything. For anything this will taste very good. Now just I have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes once this dal and the masalas get mixed with the vegetables. Then I'll get back to you for the plating. Yeah, now the idli and the sambar has arrived on the table. I finished the vegetable idli, which is very, very nutritious. I feel that all of you should try this because this belongs to the kids menu. And the Mangalorean sambar, which I told you, the highlight is only the masalas and the jaggery which we add in this. And to increase the nutritive value of it, I have added lot of vegetables.